India's capital city is seeking to shed its onerous contracts with fossil fuel power plants to reduce costs and free up funds for clean energy. Tata Power Delhi Distribution Limited, which retails electricity to customers in New Delhi, is in talks with Delhi's provincial government and the Federal Power Ministry to get some of its contracted thermal power reallocated to other states, Chief Executive Officer Ganesh Srinivasan said in a phone interview. It also plans to oppose any lifetime extension plans for aging plants it has contracted to buy electricity from, he said. The effort underscores how India's electricity sector continues to struggle with debt and overcapacity after a massive build-out of plants to power a surge in economic activity that never fully materialized. The pandemic has accentuated the problem, leaving nearly half of India's thermal power capacity idled, with the cost overhang impeding investment toward renewables and grid improvements. Our biggest priority is to reduce power purchase costs, Srinivasan said. We're procuring renewables at a cheaper cost, but because we have so much of excess thermal long-term contracts, it limits our flexibility to buy more renewables. Tata Power Delhi, a unit of Tata Power Company Limited, has long-term contracts for nearly 2.4 gigawatts of electricity, 20% more than it needs even at peak periods in scorching summer months. The take-or-pay nature of the deals means the utility spends most of the year paying fixed rates for electricity it never uses. It paid 17.7 billion rupees $241 million in fixed charges in the previous fiscal year to thermal power plants burning coal and natural gas, about half of which was idle generation capacity.